Queen of Voodoo, Marie Laveau, was a practitioner of voodoo in the late 1800s. She was born and died in New Orleans, Louisiana. The day after her death, there were sightings of Marie walking the streets of the French Quarter. Those who thought they saw the Queen later found out that it was her daughter, Marie II, that was mistakenly thought to be the Queen. The Queen was married to a free person of color named Jacques Paris. According to baptism records, they had 2 children, where Jacques was listed as the father of both of them. The youngest was baptized in 1824. However, the baptism record of the youngest child declared that Jacques was deceased. No records can confirm what happened to her husband or their 2 children after 1824. It seems as if they just disappeared. It is known that for the remaining of her life she referred to herself as the widow of Paris. She would later fall in love again with a wealthy white gentleman. While forbidden by law, they never married. However, they did spend the next 30 years raising 7 children. To make ends meet for her family, the Voodoo Queen was a hairdresser by profession, and it could be believed that she used the information that she received from her clients to aid in the counsel and rituals performed for the politically affluent that sought her guidance. During some of these rituals, she would dance with her snake zombie, which was seen as a vessel for Dambala Widu, one of the most important spirits in voodoo. While some people were afraid of her talents and what she could do, others praised and celebrated them. Many saw her as a healer and caring member of society. She spent time with prisoners trying to help them repent. She helped nurse many around her during the yellow fever epidemic, saving countless lives, and she was a mother. Centuries later, the Voodoo Queen's story continues to inspire and intrigue us today. Her legacy has inspired several songs, fictional book characters, television and movie characters across multiple different series in recent years. For more information on the Voodoo Queen, you can see the links in the description below. Thank you to the Cajun Lockpicker for making such a wonderful challenge lock and naming it such an interesting name. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like button, share, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next video.